What's up, guys? Zakim Lopez here. I'm gonna plant some string beans. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna plant some string beans. Now, before we plant some string beans, you just gonna wet this soil right here. This healthy black soil. Okay, the soil is soaked in the wet. Now, let's just gonna mix it with a big pail. I don't know why I'm doing a big pail. No, wrong. This is not pail. This is a shovel. Stupid me. Gonna mix. Gonna mix the soil, the wet soil. Yeah. Before we plant our string beans. Yeah. That's right. That's right. Now I'm gonna just find some stick. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. Now guys, we have found some stick. Yeah, bamboo stick. Freshly cut from the real bamboo. Just what again the soil in there. And then we have just to put a stick right here. Yeah, there. Oh! Yeah, there you go. Then we have to get what? Now we have to get some the beans of string. The string beans. Yeah, the beans of string bean. They're just two. And then gonna make just a little hole. Gonna get this bamboo and make a little hole. Yeah, and then put it back. There. Oh, try it. Don't want. Yeah, put some soil above the beans. Yeah, that's right. Then gonna spray it a little. There. That's a little water to reach the beans. Yeah. So I'm just gonna find some 4 sticks and a net. Ouch. Stop by. Okay guys, I have searched some sticks. So and net here. This is the product. Let's just add 2 more beans. 2 more beans in that stick behind. I can't reach with my pen. Yeah, there you go. And then put 2 seeds there. There you go. Then 2 more here. Dirty hands. Yeah, seeds put in here, there. There you go. Dirty hands. Just grab this. Denise, say hi. Huh. Yeah, pump. Yeah, put some water in the seeds. Yeah. Do you see that? There we go. Let's continue this planting tomorrow. I hope the dogs and the chickens will not ruin my plants. Okay? Good morning, guys. Time check 6:43 a.m. Now I'm just gonna plant these seeds. Just watering them in the morning. These seeds, I have to take a shower. That oregano there. Hello guys, now I'm back. Just oh boy. Why? Wait. Out. Uh, oh. They ruined my nagmask ang aso? Nagmask ang aso, mami?
Lagyan mo ng bato. Yan dyan. Lagyan mo yan ng malaking bato.
Bala na yan. Kawawa na mga laman. Sinira na mga aso. Di pa binalik. Alis. Yan. Up. Yeah. Baka nauhaw na yung halaman ko.
Okay, breaking news. I see that video that goes viral. The 3 dogs ruined Mr. Lopez Cedar Farm. Yeah. Here, the result of the meeting of Judge Judy and Mr. Attorney and Mr. Lopez.
Hello guys, I am Judge Judy. Yeah, I am Judge Judy, guys. Attorney, what is our case?
Thank you, Attorney. Now, is Sakam Lopez here in the meeting? Yeah, he is in the meeting. Okay, Sakam Lopez, I have a question for you. What did the dogs do in your property? Sir, the dogs did is they ruined my farm. I thought the farm is good enough to guard to what do you call that? Can I speak Tagalog? Yes, Mr. Lopez, sure. You can speak Tagalog. Yes, I can speak Tagalog too, but English, I'm just Englishing you because I am comfortable to speak English. Okay? You can speak Tagalog. Salamat po, attorney. Ang ginawa po ng mga aso sa aking property ay sinira nila, ginulong-gulungan nila ang aking bagong tanim na sitaw. Iyon ang bagong tanim. Nagta-training pa lang ako, attorney, pero hindi ko alam kung sinong nagmamay-ari ng mga aso na yun. Sinira ang aking string bean farm. Yeah. Maliit lang yung farm na yun, Mr. Attorney. Yeah. Yun lang po ang masasabi ko, attorney. So you mean, Mr. Lopez, it is a puppy. It's not a dog. Sorry for miscorrecting my word. Yeah, it's a, it's a puppy, not a dog. Two boys brown puppy, and a one girl puppy white, color white. Yeah. So do you recognize them, Mr. Lopez? Their name. What are their faces? Attorney, yes. Kilala ko po yung tatlong aso na yun. Yung isang malaki po, yung si Kito po ang pangalan ng batang aso na yun po. Attorney, yung malit po konti, yung dark brown po. Attorney, yung si Kopiko po yung attorney. Grabe yung pangalan, hindi ko po alam kung sino nagpangalan nun. Basta ang alam ko lang po ang pangalan po ng brown na dark po. Attorney, yung attorney, si Kopiko po, attorney. Pati yung puting babaeng aso po, attorney, yung ang pangalan po niya, attorney, yung si Marshmallow. Magandang pangalan, attorney. Bagay sa kanya yung white po siya na aso, yung may pagka-brown po, attorney. Yeah. Yun po yung yung pangalan ng mga aso, attorney. Thank you, Mr. Lopez, for explaining that 3 puppies. Yeah, that's true. It is a light brown and a dark brown and the white with the brown color puppies. Yeah. Mr. Judge, what is the result of our explanation? You see, the dogs aren't here; they're in jail. Yet, you judge. What are your results? Guilty or not guilty?
Attorney CEO, napatunayan natin na ang mga aso ay sumira sa farm, sa Sitaw Farm ni Mr. Lopez. Yeah. So, pinalagaan ko yung report mo, yung CCTV evidence mo, yan. Pinalagaan ko yan, sinugurado ko talaga kung may mali ba o wala. Yan, the result is, guilty.
So that's the result of the meeting, guys. The dogs are guilty. Yeah, that's right. You hear? The dogs are guilty.
There we go. Kainom na sila. Gagawin ko na lang ngayon. Kasi ng mga aso. So guys, yan, nabasa ko na sila ngayon. Na-late ako. Sabi ko 3 p.m. kanina. 4 p.m. Ha? Oh, Kaya pala. Ha? Bawal pala daw 3 p.m. Yan. Ngayon, bukas guys, babantayan ko to sila hanggang gabi para hindi masira ng mga aso. At lalagyan ko rin ito ng pampatugtog para maglabas ng seeds nito. Ganyan. Answeran rin natin bukas ang mga question na binigay sa akin. Bukas na naman. Good morning guys. I just put another stick in here because the net in the midnight I checked broke. Sorry guys, I didn't video the broke the net. Yeah. Here, look. You see this stick must be inside of the net, but now it's in the outside. Yeah, there's another stick too. So, I will just water this. And done. now. I'm gonna stay there in that duyan and play the music here later. Yeah, later. Yeah, that chair. That chair? That chair? I just found this around the house. I didn't know that there's this. Yeah, this chair. Now I'm gonna guard the plants, and you see the news that, yeah, you see the news that the dogs are guilty. Yeah, dogs are guilty. I'm in the meeting. You see? If you didn't see it, never mind. It's not very important. I'm gonna come back. I'm not gonna come back. I'm gonna stay here for a long time to go. Now, guys, I'm gonna answer some questions that give to me. The first question, why did you choose that plant? The string bean plant. Hmm. Because has because that plant, I mean, ang buto niya lang ang meron sa amin. Ang buto lang meron niyan sa amin. Wala na kaming ibang pangtanim na buto. Pangalawang question, are you a plant lover? Yes, I am a plant lover. The story behind that, nung nagkaubo ako, yung hinanapan ako ng lola ko ng oregano. Tapos, bigla lang ubo. Bigla lang nawala. So, kaya, sa isip ko, kung magtanim pa ako ng mga oregano, tapos kung magkasakit ako, yung magaling ako agad. So, yun. Doon ako naging plant lover. Third question, why do you think that being a plant lover is a huge contribution to the environment? Yes. Because if you are a plant lover would make a solution to keep the air clean, and he's making his house not humid because in the Philippines is so humid, right? Yun. So, ganun ang ginagawa ng plant lover. So, yun na. Saran ko ng question. Nansaran ko ng tatlong question. Tatlong maka-hesitate na question. So, kain muna ako. Just water the plants. Sorry, I didn't video my watering the plants. There are the wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs are guilty, huh? Somebody explain this. Never mind. Now I will be the guard of the dogs and the plant over there. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm gonna guarding the dogs and the plants there. Hello. This is the 911 police station. The dogs that are guilty. They escaped. Copy that. Let's put some guns in here. I am making sure that this is vlog. Yeah, time to put some guns and sticks for catching dogs. Where are you, dog? Yeah. Dog. One dog. Just making sure that this is vlog. Here. Yeah. There you go. Oh. Come on, dogs. Oh. You too. Oh, man. The camera. Gano'n pa ba? Ah, the camera. Wag. Wag gani. Not the last dog. Yeah. Get the dogs, Roger. I get the dogs. The next vlog you see, I'm gonna catch the shark from the swimming pool. You'll see that. Okay guys, this is my last take. Just gonna water again these plants. And we will see you in January. Look at this. In January, you will see I'm planting again, and we will see how the sitaw bean grow. This is the end of the video, so I'm just letting you show that I am watering it. Yeah, there we go. There we go, and that is the end of the video. See you in January. They ruined my farm. I thought